Good morning. What a wonderful day. I wanna put the intention for this practice today on gifting love in the sense of Christmas. And one of my love gifts also to you these days is a wonderful wholehearted workshop I'm hosting on the 28th of December on Monday, where we can come together and shift ourselves into attunement of the new year, integrating what happened 2020 and getting ready and clear and empowered to move into the new normal year 2021. So this is a warm invitation. You find links and everything below and in my bio. Would love to see you there. And in that moment, let's go now into gifting love. Today on Christmas Eve, like in Germany, we celebrate Christmas on the Christmas Eve specifically. And it's such an important day to me because it's, for me, a pure day of love celebration, of gifting love in the quality time we spend together, in the moments we listen to each other, the moments we share with each other in games or little rituals we do, and maybe also in the little gifts we give to each other in the physical plane. And I want to attune ourselves today so we are ready to receive and to give love with our full hearts, full, open and joyful, and take it all in. Take life all in today, however it is occurring. Maybe in solitude because of lockdowns, maybe with friends, maybe with family. And this special Christmas is there for a reason. And maybe it teaches us a lesson to be even more open-hearted, to love even more, and to give even more love from ourselves. And so let's attune into that loving space, because we know the first requirement to love and to gift love around is feel the deep self-love in the first place. And with that, I invite all of us to attune. It will be a short attunement into love for Christmas, for the celebration of love. Love to ourselves, love to our loved ones, love to our friends, love to our community, love to the world, love to nature, love to everything. And let's arrive here first. Sit down comfortably and strong at the same time. Feel that inner strength, however your position is now. And start with a couple of deep breaths into the heart, into the belly, and hold those breaths. And let it go. And just notice how those deep breaths are shifting our awareness, our body. And tune into your body, your home, your love vehicle, your temple. Let's just arrive here in our bodies with deep acceptance of us in every single experience, with our suffering, with our pain, and at the same time with our bliss, our pleasure, with every single part of experience. Let's just tune into that loving, loving space. Now, let's imagine that the heart opens up. It opens all its doors, all its walls around our heart are falling down, down, down. And it just arrives here present in all its being, fragile, vulnerable, imperfect as it is. It just becomes more and more present, unveiled, real, true. Open every single door. Let it be open, transparent almost. Embracing yourself, embracing the world. And just breathe into that open-heartedness deeply, with every breath opening more. And breathing out, releasing and feeling that loving embrace of your heart to the world. And even if there's some discomfort, some tension in your heart, let it be. Feel it and let it go. Relax and release. It's completely okay. It's okay. It's okay. And now with this open, loving heart, let's give that love. That connectedness, that peace to our loved ones, one by one. You can breathe in and imagine a loved one, and breathe out, give them a wish. Just continue that practice for a couple of deep breaths, breathing in, imagining a loved one, breathing out, gifting them a wish. And in this act of giving, just choose 3 more loved ones, breathing in and gifting them a wish. Just now imagine all of them that you just sent wishes to. Imagine all of those beloved people next to each other, and just sense that loving kindness that you just gift to all of them. And with this practice, just slowly come back to your heart space. Feel that open, loving heart that just so much endless love to give. Feel it and embrace it. You can also put your hands on your heart space. And then gently come back here in that present moment. You can open your eyes, and here we are How do you feel after that practice of gifting love? Are you ready for Christmas, however you celebrate it? Also, if you don't, maybe because you're Muslim or any other religion, or no religion at all, maybe you still want to gift some love today in any way. Maybe a loving word, a loving act of service, a loving time spent with someone. And with this beautiful sense of love, I wish you a wonderful Christmas day. Celebrate love today. And when you feel like celebrating love and acceptance also for the new year and having a year of love ahead, I warmly invite you to join me in the free workshop I'm hosting on the 28th. It will be deeper, it will be clarity, and it will be love. Much love.